Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about autumn sales reviews of United States and whether it is a legit or scam website we'll get to know. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So friends, let's check what this website is providing to the customer. From the images, one can easily understand that this website deals with products like wood burning, fire pit, hand tools, etc. Now let's check about best-selling products. So here are some products with reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. Now let's talk about those payment policy. So friends, as you can see, they accept Amex, Visa, etc. Now let's go to the shipping policy. So friends, the shipping policy is 5 to 14 business days as mentioned in the website. Now let's talk about legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a scam or legit website. This website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means payment gateway is totally safe and secure. Besides this, the website has been registered on 22 of October 2020 and hence it is a new website. If you want to know about Us page section, let's check into it. So friends, there is no About Us page section mentioned in the website. If you want to know about the contact address, let's go to the Contact Us page. So friends, there is contact number and email address mentioned here, but there is no address mentioned in the website. The email address is info@autumnsales.co.uk. Now let's talk about social media presence. So friends, this website is available in social media. As you can see here, it is mentioned in Facebook, Twitter, etc. Hence, it can be counted as one positive point for the website. Now, if you want to know about the return and refund policy, let's check into it. So friends, there are few conditions regarding the return and refund policy. Let's check into it. So friends, if you have paint is chipping or broken chain, etc., you can notify regarding the disorders and email them. You will receive either a refund of your purchase or exchange within 30 days. If any wrong order or item is given to you or you receive the broken item, the info is different from the one which is provided in autumn sales, then you can again email them and you will receive either a refund of your purchase or an exchange within 15 days. Now, if you want to know about the customer reviews of this website, friends, there are no reviews updated in the website where you can check the feedbacks. Also, we checked in Google, there are reviews based on this website, but it is negative. If you ask about the website content quality, then it is not good as most of them is copy-pasted from other sites. So, on basis of the above discussion, we can say that this website is possibly a scam because there are a lot of negative points in the website. And we advise you to check all these points for all websites before making any payment or selection. This website is not trustable and you cannot think of investing money into it. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Also, we advise you to do your own research before investing money in such website. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all the comments over every videos. Keep commenting. Please like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe.